When it's 8:18 p.m. on Thursday, July 22nd, 2021, and today I'm going to show you a 52-inch white and polished brass NuTone Elegance ceiling fan. Manufactured in 1991, and the OEM is by Kontrust / Top Union. And it has a motor very similar to what's found in the Casablancas from that period, because NuTone designed this to namely compete with the Casablanca Spirit of Saturn. But it's got a lot of the unique NuTone features as well. And the blades didn't come with this fan. I think the motor I got a while back, but I found I had blades to complete it. So now it's officially complete. And we're going to have a look at the canopy. It's that signature NuTone canopy. That's the Spirit of Saturn sideband right there. And the signature NuTone vents, commonly found on the veranda model. That's what set the pace for that. And the have a look at the blade. Nice high gloss white blade. There, see that? Got somewhat of a curved tip, but that's okay. And you can see the reverse switch right there. And we can have a look at the flywheel on it. It's got the spokes in it, just like what you find on Emerson or Casablanca from that period, which I really like. And if I didn't already establish, the light kit was something that I added. And that being said, let's shed a little light on the situation, shall we? There we go. It has a nice, there's a touch of ambience to the Elegance. I really like the way the light it puts out in this room, the spotlights. These are some of my favorite lights. And it goes much better with the Elegance than it does the Veranda 2. I mean, I did have a Veranda 2 here prior to this one, but that just had a schoolhouse light, which came with, and I left it as is. So here, I'll show you something over here. One side, two side. That's all of them. Yep, there's the blade arms right there. And before I rev it up, I'll show you the pull chains I put on it. Touch of Elegance to the Elegance. Okay, and let's rev it up first on low. Yeah, this is a major childhood fan for me, because I toured this one house in 1990 that had one of these in the living room, and it had a different kind of light kit on it. I think the blades were pointed tip. I'm not really sure, but and various other parts had the Veranda 2's, its sister. So NuTone manufactured these from the late 80s to early 90s. And they're very awesome fans. Let's try medium. Oh yeah, she's really moving a lot of air. The airflow is starting to pick up on this. And let's do high, shall we? Even on medium, it was still putting out a good airflow. A nice, comfortable airflow. Runs pretty stable now since I balanced the blades on it. Does have somewhat of maybe a slight shake to it, but it's not as obvious since I did what I did. The wobble's only there unless you're like really looking for it. And we'll do spin down. Bearings are really good on this fan too, I must say. It really cranks out an abundance of air. It looks even more awesome than the veranda I had in here prior. And these were also offered with a select touch, which was basically a rival to the ever popular Casablanca IntelliTouch. They were offered with that feature, but I just prefer the 3-speed. It's just one less thing to go wrong with it. Okay. Okay, Fantasy Operation. This concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.